you've swapped the office for home in the last 2 years, you'll know the importance of a great remote working setup. To work effectively from home, most people need a large desk and comfortable chair, dedicated keyboard and mouse and multiple monitors. However, one key accessory is often overlooked: a monitor stand. A single piece of wood, glass, or metal can transform your remote working, or PC gaming, experience for the better, lifting your monitor/S to a more ergonomic height for video calls. Without having to hunch over or look up, it should improve your posture too. There are plenty of great options out there, but we've been lucky enough to review some of the finest. Without further ado, here are our picks of the best monitor stands you can buy. All of the following are compatible with both Windows and Mac. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best monitor stand riser 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Zimilar brand. This ergonomic computer monitor riser with drawer raises your screen at a comfortable eye level. Effectively improve posture to relieve eye strain, back and neck pain throughout the workdays. Make full use of the space under the stand riser platform to keep your workstation clean and organized. The sliding drawer is perfect for US letter size paper, and the foldable phone holder on both sides can help you work more efficiently. Holding up to 44 pounds, this adjustable monitor riser is made of super durable steel for heavy monitors. The adjustable feet is padded with anti-skid rubber for stability, and protects your desk surface from scratches. Unique star mesh platform improves airflow and heat exchange to prevent devices from overheating. No worry to get your new ergonomic monitor stand riser. This computer riser with drawer is easily assembled without tools required. Press button to extend/retract the legs, adjust to suitable height. Number 4 in our top is from the LOUKIN brand. The ergonomic monitor riser to help you develop correct sitting habits. Proper sitting posture can effectively help you prevent back and neck pain daily. 22.4 inch by 8.2 inch premium MDF board is waterproof and easy to clean. At least 7 inch wider space than others. It can hold an extra tablet. You can place the computer on monitor stand with the tablet and speaker. It can also be used as a laptop stand, a printer stand, and a projector stand. Good balance performance can hold up to 22 pounds for non-slip ABS legs to ensure the monitor's safety. The overall stability stands the test of time and meets your needs for the home office. Keep your workstation neat and tidy. Add storage space for laptops and tablets, and accommodate most keyboards and mice with open bottom space without limitation. The computer stand requires no installation, saving you time and effort. There will be no unnecessary damage to the riser due to installation issues that affect its use. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the LORYERGO brand. This monitor stand designed to provide a 2-tier storage space for your monitor, notebook, mouse, keyboard, cell phone, speakers, books, and other office supplies. Built-in cell phone slot and cable management hub can keep your desk tidy and neat. Detachable board in the middle allows you to freely customize your monitor riser as a 1-tier or 2-tier monitor stand according to your needs. You can have a double choice with one LEMS09 desktop stand. The MDF wood riser made of eco-friendly MDF wood without any air pollution, which is great for your office, living room, and bedroom. The monitor riser stand measuring 5.2 inch in height to keep your screen at the best ergonomic position. With a weight limit of up to 44 pounds and 4 non-slip pads, this monitor riser can serve as a laptop stand, computer riser, desktop stand, or a printer stand. LORYERGO computer stand is easy to assemble. You just need to only take much less 10 minutes to assemble it according to the instructions. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Two in our top is from the HUANUO brand. This monitor stand features 3 height settings at 3.9 inch, 4.7, and 5.5 tall. Choose the most comfortable and ergonomic viewing height by pressing the buttons on the legs to adjust the stand. This computer monitor stand provides 12-inch by 7-inch by 5-inch storage space underneath the platform to organize office supplies. Stack 2 monitor stands together to double the functionality of your workspace. The monitor riser is made of powder-coated steel with a ventilated platform designed to improve heat dissipation. The ventilation helps to keep your laptop cooler and avoid overheating. The monitor stand riser supports up to 44 pounds to hold monitors, laptops up to 15.6-inch, printers, gaming consoles, and more. The anti-slip rubber pads add stability and protect surfaces from scratches. Tools are not required for the monitor stand assembly. Simply screw the 4 legs onto the pre-assembled bolts of the monitor stand riser platform. Have your desk organized for more productivity in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And finally, the #1 product in our top is part of the Bondtech brand. This monitor stand riser is made of premium eco-friendly MDF wood without any air pollution. Moreover, we're using the professional craftsman exquisitely polished and painting finish for a long-lasting life. This monitor stand riser is great for your office, living room, bedroom, and study. The monitor riser stand measuring 5.6 inch in height to keep your screen at the best ergonomic position. This monitor stand helps prevent health effects such as excessive fatigue, eye strain, neck, and back pain. This monitor stand rise comes with cable management slots that can make your cord stay organized. Cell phone holder will free your hands to make work easier. The monitor shelf provides enough area for storing laptops, keyboards, wireless mice, and daily necessities to keep your desktop tidy. This monitor stand riser instructions are clear and easy to follow, so the assembly takes only a few minutes. The monitor stand includes soft rubber feet, ensuring your monitor is perfectly stabilized on your desk and the desktop remains scratch-free. Which monitor stand riser would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.